Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Het Groene Hart, the Green Heart, a relatively thinly populated area in the middle of all the biggest cities of the Netherlands. This is the way we say Het Groene Hart. Het Groene Hart. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of the first word and on the last word. Het Groene Hart. Het Groene Hart. Het Groene Hart. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!